Hello rapid sell buyers. Here's a 2008 Chevrolet Express long body 3/4 ton service truck. This truck here, we just boosted it. It starts up fine, runs well. The motor runs good on it. Again, it was on the road right till December, licensed straight to December of 19. Again, it's got decent looking tires on it. A good little truck for somebody, and it's also got an inverter on the inside here. I'll show you inside. It's got the tube tunnels up top for you for your transportation of your long rods, etc. Also has the trailer hitch on the back, and overall the body's not bad shape for the year of it, so it'd be a good little work truck for somebody. It has been oiled at one point. I'm not saying it won't take any fixing up, but again, it's got some good bones there for somebody. As you know, they're hard to find, like these sorts of trucks around, and in this sort of condition. As you look inside, you know, it's usual, you know, it's the typical work truck style, you know, but overall, inside, everything works. Inside, the heaters, you know, it's got the Go Power 3000 heavy duty Go Power inverter there. Got the aluminum toolbox inside. Rubber floor mats. Just keep looking around the outside. It's got the tubes up top. Ladder racks. Again, the body's good all the way around. You know, it's got good tires on it yet. Michelin tires too. Yeah, very good. You can see the motor's running good. It's got the 6-liter in it. Listen to it running. It's fine. So anyways, for those people that are at this sale here, the trucks, this one has 319,000 kilometers on it. Let's just take a look on the inside for you. You know, it's, the windows are the crank manual. It says service tire monitor system on it, but when I put the key in to start it, come up 319. You know, it's got it. Fans all working. Let's put her down to air here. There we go. So it's blowing, going to cold air there now. Still warm, but just give her a few minutes there. That's on max. Oh, I guess I got to turn that way. There we go. Just let her cool down a bit. Yeah, there she's going down to cold now. So anyways, you know, it's got a good truck for somebody here, and put her back to heat this time of year. Oh, the windshield does have a crack in it, and you know, it's always been serviced, and so it's the next mileage service is 323,271, and the miles on it right now are 319 is what I saw when I turned it up. So I'm just going to park it and let you guys have your opportunity. It's got the trailer hitch button on her there too. I'll turn the amber light off there, and here's your opportunity, ladies and gentlemen, for a 08 Express Chevy. It's a good little work truck for somebody, and if you're a person that isn't after a $80,000 $100,000 truck, then this might be one that you might be happy to look at. Enjoy your opportunity. There's 2 other trucks in the sale also.